Let's work on today's technique. For more information, click on the link below. Welcome to GoodKnit Kisses. We're all about helping you stitch your love and love your stitches. Let's decrease our stitches. Okay, so we're ready to decrease our thumb. To make a decrease stitch, you're going to take one stitch and put it on the stitch right next to it, and also take the one in the back and move it over. So you're moving them in pairs. On this pattern, we're going to move one over on top of the next and skip. So basically we're going to go from 10 stitches down to 5 stitches. So every other one is moved over. Now, in order to decrease, you also, which is in the directions in this pattern, you move over your stitch and then you work a row to where you decrease it. But before we work the row, we're moving these over just as directed. And then we need to move them all to the center before we work this row because we need them all in pairs closer together. So leave this one in the center, and you can just pick up these and move them that way. And just continue working your stitches towards the center. And pause your video and meet me back up, and we will work this next row together, and I'll show you the final part of the decrease. So I've moved all these stitches inward, and now I want to work this row so that they are all knit over. So just go around the pegs and do a stockinette stitch and work them over, and you're going to be working the bottom 2 stitches over the top 1 stitch. So I'm not really turning this one here. We're going to just take 1, 2 and go over that way, or you can grab them both at the same time and work these stitches in, and do the back row as well. Pause your video and I'll meet you back up. Thanks for joining us today, where we help you stitch your love and love your stitches. See you again soon.